Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network with me, Dior Shaari. This is another product that I bought from Bath and Body Works. It's called Midnight Spell, and I haven't bought like this kind of product like so long. It's actually a diamond shimmer mist, Midnight Spell diamond shimmer mist from Bath and Body Works. And before we look into the product itself, unboxing, let's look into the details and also some pictures from the website itself. This is from Singapore website, Bath and Body Works. Alright. And then let's look into the details of the product itself. Get behind. Sorry if my camera works. Okay, and then so like this. Shimmer. Okay, so that's it, and let's say it's the smell is like unisex also, but mostly for women, but unisex also will be fine. And the smell also is fine, good also, and it's, I think it's the special edition from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, so if you like to purchase this product, perhaps I will share the link below if possible. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.